This tutorial is on viewing your rosters in your workshops and taking attendance. First, hover over ILT, which stands for Instructor-Led Training, and click on Manage Events and Sessions. Then, at the top box, search for your session, put a few words in, and click on Search. Actually, this is your event. So once you find your event, go all the way over to the right and click on the calendar, which is underneath the word Options. This is your session. And the people here on the right are your roster. View your roster. So here's your roster. If you want to print someday a sign-in sheet, that's fine. You can do that. Or you can add users, which you may need to do if someone did not register for your session. First, you have to look up your session. Here I am. And then click on the little plus sign to add the person to the session. Click on Done. Now I'm in the yellow zone, and you'll want to click on Add Pending Users to Roster. If the session's already finished, you'll want to take the check mark off Send Emails, so that I don't get a calendar invite for something that something happened a couple days ago, but you want to add me to the roster. Okay, so once all your users are in your roster, click on Attendance and Scoring, and you just want to click on Attendance for everyone that was in. No one really uses scoring, so you can ignore that. You can keep these plus signs clicked on, or these check marks here. You want to submit your roster by clicking on Submit Roster. However, if you want to save the roster and come back to it later, you can just save, come back to it later, and then submit. Once you submit your roster, your attendees will receive credit for your professional development.